Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
Just had the urge to fly a little line of sight.
Welcome to HTX.
See if I can get this thing fired up before.
Throttle warning.
Before it goes into Wi-Fi mode. Okay, there you go. Haven't flown line of sight in a while with a drone. Ain't helping that this guy's black. Oops. Harder to see the orientation because it's black. Whoa! Sheesh. Didn't have enough power to pull up out of that. Probably killing this battery. Yeah. Can't go up anymore. This little battery don't have a high C rating. Let me unplug it. Just a little
Telemetry lost.
just a little Betafpv 550 milliamp hour. Can't really see the C rating on it. I know it's not that high though. Yeah, can't really see. They don't have it. Oh, it's a 40C pack. 40C 80C burst on there, so Not really a high C rating on it. So I guess that's why I was having my troubles with pulling out of stuff with it. Next time I'll bring one of my G&B packs out. I think I'm gonna probably get into some FPV with this little guy. This is the Walksnail version. So I'll be back out here diving the trees and stuff again. Little line of sight at Squirrel Park. Thanks for watching.